Had this Viso last year, and I just got able to use it today. I want to try the other attachment. So guys, there's a small stain here that I want to get. Go guys, that's the finish clean area after that vacuum. That's how it looks like now. This layer was like yellow color on that spot right there on that spot right there. Now that stain is gone, much better looking. It's clean, and then that spot there is gone also, where that green brush. All right, and here's the dirty water. So here's the dirty water after cleaning that carpet, and this is gonna be easy to dump here. So there's the lock sign and the unlock sign. You just need to point in that direction, the handle. And this is great because there's more liquid here. Like that. Here's the amount of leftover cleaner inside. Right there. And okay. And just put it there. It has a great length of that cord. This one, you'll get a lot of length. So I'll just put it like this and put it away. Alright, I'm going to dump these guys, and this is the wrap of the video. Wrap this thing like that. Alright, so when you put it away, it looks like that. But I have to empty that later. Okay, it's really good tools to clean the spot stain on the carpet. My only comment is this hose here. It's kind of stiff and it's not really flexible to use it. But I think they did that to have a quality for the hose, so it won't be able to break it easily. Put that away, and the carpet looks like clean. That stain is gone, and right there. Right there. So it's kind of damp when you step on it, but it's not soaked. Guys, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed watching the video. I'll see you again with my next one.